All right, let's show you what's going on. When do we find out, by the way? Is there some...
I'm not sure. I'll keep an eye on it.
Yes.
Because I want to make sure, because I'm going to win.
Oh,
so.
there's no question you're losing this debate. No doubt. All right, here's a look at what's going on. We have some storms still across northern New Mexico. Raton passed a little earlier, things were quiet, and then showers rolled right on through, and you can see them getting the interstate wet there along I-25. In addition, down around Ruidoso, we've picked up some storms as well earlier this afternoon. Since we saw this rain, things have quieted down across the Sacramento Mountains. As you can see, a nice evening with partly cloudy skies now. Here's a look at the storms across northeastern portions of the state. That's the band of storms that went through Raton. We're seeing some storms now jumping up over Tucumcari. We had some interesting stuff going on around Tucumcari. We had storms coming in from the north, and then we had a gust front coming up from the southeast, and these two have met right over Tucumcari, so that's why the action is so intense around the Tucumcari area and at points to the south as well. We'll continue to see storms here. Meanwhile, in the metro, it's pretty quiet stuff. We don't have anything going on here in the city at this point. About this time last night, we snuck a quick thunderstorm in across the west side. That is not happening tonight. Just north of Lovington, picking up a couple of isolated storms, and across the southwest, some isolated storms just to the east of Silver City. Looking at what's going on with the temps out there, 85 degrees in the metro, northwest winds at 13 miles an hour. Temperatures anywhere from the 70s and 80s to the north. By the way, Taos is not reporting at this hour. Then down across the south, 60s, 70s, and 80s, and Alamogordo as well. Equipment down there has not been reporting a temperature. As soon as it does, we'll get the temperature on, but that is not our equipment. So as soon as we can get a new temp in there, we will. As far as what's going on right now across the satellite and radar, well, a couple showers again across the east. Some of that stuff intense in east central sections of the state along the front. That will continue throughout the night tonight. And then tomorrow, front's going to make a little progress toward the west. So we could see a scattered storm here in central sections. The northeast, though, and northern mountains will remain as the favorite areas to pick up some meaningful rain. And into Thursday, the thunderstorm crop thins out a little bit. High pressure over the state is in a really bad position to allow a lot of moisture in. Now, there's a possibility of a weather disturbance approaching from the west into the weekend. The problem is, though, as this thing runs into high pressure and given the time of year, it's not going to be easy for this low to hold together and really help us with some meaningful precip. We'll see if we can maybe get a little bit out there. But for tomorrow, you can see the favorite areas for showers will be once again across the northern mountains and east, although the west central highlands could pick up some showers, and here into the metro we could get a spot shower, and that's about it. And then again, pretty lean crop of storms into Thursday as well. Let's go region by region across southern Colorado. Better chance of picking up showers actually over the weekend. For tomorrow, about a 10% chance of getting wet. Not much going on across the northwest other than a really nice day. 92 Farmington and 84 in Grants. Across the southwest, temperatures top out in the 80s and 90s with an isolated storm of possibility. A little better chance on Thursday. 92 Roswell, 82 Lovington, and 89 in Carlsbad. Chance for a spot shower tomorrow and even overnight tonight as well. 70s and 80s over the northeast tomorrow and over the northern mountains. Another good shot at some scattered storms. Saw some today over those northern mountain communities. Red River got a little bit wet. East Mountains, temperatures in the 80s with a few storms possible. And here in the metro, got a little bit higher chance of a shower today than yesterday. We didn't have much of a chance, got one. Today, about a 10% chance. Tomorrow, about 25. So the trending's a little bit better. But as you can tell, Thursday into Friday, temperatures come up a little bit with mainly partly cloudy skies.
All right. Thank you, Mark. Sports is next.